Welcome to Spring LIB.
In this question, given data is there are two balls given. So consider that this is a ground. Here I am first drawing the figure to explain the data given. So this is a ground, and on this ground there are two ball is lying. So consider that this is a first ball and this is a second ball. So now in the question it is saying that both balls are identical, so mass will be same, that is given in the question, that is m. So I can say that the first ball mass is m and second ball the mass is, that is m. Now in the question it is saying that further information is, that is the first ball is going to make head-on collision with the second ball which is at initially rest position, and in the question the speed for first ball is given, that is v speed, v meter per second. So by using this speed, this first ball is going to make head-on collision with the second ball. And further information is, in the question it is saying that the final kinetic energy, that means kinetic energy after collision, is equal to 3/4 of initial, or I can say that original kinetic energy. So this condition is given in the question, and now finally the question is asking that we have to find coefficient of restitution. So now let's start answering this question. So in the answer I can say that the mass of both ball is, that is equal to m, and initial speed of first ball will be, that is equal to, in the question given, that is v, and initial speed for second ball will be written as, that is equal to 0, because second ball is initially at rest position, so I can say that it will be equal to 0. So now consider that after collision the final speed of first ball will be, that is equal to v1, and the final speed of second ball will be, that is equal to v2. So now after writing the speeds, I can say that the coefficient of restitution E will be written as, that is E is equal to velocity of separation divided by velocity of approach. So use this formula, I can say that coefficient of restitution E will be equal to, that is equal to v1 minus v2 divided by v. So now simplify it, then I will get the equation, that is v1 minus v2 is equal to ev. So this is a equation number 1. Now next step is, here I am applying law of conservation of linear momentum. So according to this law, I can say that the linear momentum after collision will be equal to linear momentum before collision. So here I will write the result, that is linear momentum after collision will be, that is m times of parenthesis of v1 plus v2 is equal to linear momentum before collision, that will be, that is mv. So simplify it, then I will get the second equation, that is v1 plus v2 is equal to v. So this is the equation number 2. Now next step is, in the question there is a condition given, that is final kinetic energy, or I can say that kinetic energy after collision is equal to 3/4 of original kinetic energy, that means 3/4 of initial kinetic energy. So here I can say that by using this condition, the next step will be written as, that is, final kinetic energy is equal to half mv1 square plus half mv2 square is equal to 3/4 times of initial kinetic energy will be written as, that is, half mv square. So now next step is simplify it, then I will get the result, that is v1 square plus v2 square is equal to 3/4 of v square. So now next step is, here I am applying a formula, that is a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square divided by 2 will be equal to a square plus b square. So use this formula in a above step. So left side will be written as, that is v1 square plus v2 square will be, that is v1 plus v2 whole square plus v1 minus v2 whole square divided by 2 is equal to, now right side will be written as, that is 3/4 of v square. So now next step is, here I am using equation number 2 and equation number 1. So I can say that after using this equation number 1 and equation number 2, here I am v1 plus v2 whole square will be written as, that is, by using this equation number 2, I can say that v1 plus v2 is equal to v. So here write the value of v1 plus v2 whole square, that is equal to v square, plus now v1 minus v2 whole square will be written as, that is, by using this equation number 1, I can say that ev. So ev square, that means here put the value of v1 minus v2, that is ev, then whole square is equal to, divided by 2 is equal to 3/4 of v square. So now simplify it, then I will get the result, that is 1 plus e square is equal to 3/2, or I can say that e will be equal to, after solving, I can say that e, that is coefficient of restitution, will be equal to 1 over square root of 2. So I had get the answer, that is coefficient of restitution e is equal to 1 over square root of 2. So I had solved the question completely. Thank you.